Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, people, I am outside today. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a mukbang, so probably not see me here like this and I wonder, but this is why I say I'm gonna give me here a break, because as if you have been watching my videos and I know some always I put gel in my hair and I just need a break from all of the gel. So as you can see right there. So people, if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are here with me for the longest while, thank you so much for being a part of my family. So people, what am I eating today? What's going to be, I want to do a KFC mukbang, but that's not possible today, and I really wanted to do a video for you guys and just to chit chat and I'd let you know that I am still here and stuff. It's just I've been a bit busy, but yeah, I'm here. So what am I having? This is my box food. Yeah, it's for lunch by the way. So it's fried chicken and pasta with a little bit of tupsa vegetable. I'm carrying not even said so good still, but it's a sure good. It's a guan. It's been guaning. So if you see persons passing by, I live in a tenement yard and stuff, so it is expected. Alright, and if you hear nice, I really cannot control it. It's out of my I'm gonna say. Anyways, forget about it. But you don't understand what I say. Alright? So let me dig in it and see what I go on. People, I don't normally talk and eat, but because I'm mukbang, yeah, I normally take long to eat, so and cheers. It's alright. It don't have a lot of bag of seasoning. Just alright. Yeah, so people, I really want to talk to them about today is friends. What's the meaning of friendship? In truth and in fact, is not everybody a friend, right? Is not everybody a friend. I know people talk and it's not, but I find it difficult. But everybody, it's not everybody a friend, right? Some people come in your life for different reasons. Alright? What is friendship? To me, friendship is supposed to be somebody who you can call upon for any little thing at all. Alright? Probably them don't have it material wise, but you can call upon them to say, or say me I go through a little phase, and somebody where you can depend upon and talk to when you go through a little stress them. And them can, say little words of encouragement and stuff. Somebody who really have your back. Right? Not monetary wise, but can say, yeah. Say man is a good person. She always did it for me no matter what the situation. Yeah. Cause me not lie. I've been on this earth for so long. And some people, I think they would have been my friend or so-called friend. No, let me give her an instance, right? Let me give you an instance. Oh, I have my water, my water, my juice. It's guava pine. Yeah, it's colorful, like a big color in there. Yeah. So remember, I was staying at this particular place, right? And there were a group of, we know each other, good look while and stuff, and the way we operate. You just say, alright. She look like somebody. She look like somebody who can be my friend. Alright? So I remember a particular time, right? Because at the end of the day, me being that young state where we are work, yes, but at the end of the day we're not going to stay there forever. We are looking for progression, right? So that person decides say them are going to take out a loan, right? And the person came to me and she was like, "Mal, me I take out a loan and I want to go back to school and me don't want you be me guarantor." I say, alright. No, okay, fine. Okay, fine. So sign up paper and everything for girl. Right? Sign up paper and everything for girl. And think girl get through with everything we she want. I think she started but eventually she stopped. I don't know the reason why, but it's not because of the loan. I think she didn't pass something at the start. Alright? Huh? Was my time around now. Somebody decided to say, alright, may I go do my little thing, as in it was a loan. I don't remember if it was a loan. I think it was a loan. And I said to the person, I talked to the person, because we all agree, say if you know whatever come up, you go help out each other, we not go each, right? Because we see with each other as friends, so to speak. Friend, so to speak. So call the girl on everything. She agreed and stuff. You see, when it was time to do the whole guarantee stuff, loan guarantee stuff, or whatever you want to call it, the girl back out, so she not do it. I'm like, I'm say, you serious? And she said she not do it, she not doing it. And you know, say from that day they not left my thought, even though I'm not gonna use she and blackmail everybody for say them are not good people or good friends, so to speak. But I'm gonna say, really? I'm gonna say, alright, cool, no problem. Just like that. Whenever I argue with her, nothing at the top, nothing like that. Huh? But anyway, I felt so bad, and I felt angry, and I felt all of the bad things that I could have think for me. I said, I do this for this girl, and this girl decides she not going to do it back for me. I was so pissed until I tell myself, say, you know what, I'm not do this again for nobody where you call friend or whatever. I'm just not doing it because people aren't loyal, and people just want to use it for them convenient, or convenience rather. So you know what, not anymore. But eventually I got somebody to do all of them work there for me. And I look, you see, in this life, you see persons whom I know, because I've been in situations again where persons who actually do things to me, them never have to do it for me. Them never. And based upon what I was doing is like not say life and death, that not being so, yeah, but me I say them people never have to do it, but they are mindful of the fact, say, yo, me is a person who stick to my words, and me not go just alright because me get this done or whatever, me just have to run off. And no, I'm not that type of person, and them understand me. So But eventually somebody started it out for me. So you see that all that person they know, you know them can't get me do nothing for them again. Because right there, so you're not true. And you're only for yourself, you're very selfish. So anyways, I'm gonna drink. So anyways, yeah, I just decided to say, you know what? I am done. I am done with her. You know, Uchi can't come back to me now. Can't go back to me. Another time, another situation is where, right? People, I am going to emphasize this and everybody a friend. And sometimes it takes certain situations to know people. Right? Me, myself, let me tell you how me stay. Who I am is, if Mrs. say is a really genuine person, because friendship not just come so. Friendship not just happen overnight, it's a thing that takes time. You can't just run up in a people so people will feel you. Right? Who I am, what I tend to do is, normally, if you're my friend, me not lie. And I'm say in a sticky situation, right? Whether monetary, whatever the case may be, people are gonna say, me tell them I don't have no money. I tell that straight. I don't have any money. But if it's a case where I see like my friend them really in need of something where it's very important, I'm not gonna just cut my money so I'll lend or give because you want the latest bag or the latest shoes. You have to prioritize yourself and know what comes first or what is needed. If it's something where you can do without, try do without it. Because me not have no money for lend nobody or me not have no money for give nobody and me myself know something I have it. And never you left yourself broke. If you have $10,000, right? Stash away something before you give or lend any money because you don't know at what time in life or what can come up. Any disaster can come up, whether illness, you name it can come up. So let's stash something aside. Me I tell you this. So as I'm saying, and everybody a friend. So people and everybody a friend. And some people you can't confide in them none at all. You cannot confide in some people at all. Because I mean I do have friends. And to be honest, for me busy these days sometimes. It's not everybody. It's not every time I can catch up on my friendship and say, yo, I'm time I'm text and them understand my situation where at this point in time I'm really kinda busy. But like when I have a little free time also, I call them up, ask them what go on out things with them and catch up on little things too. Right? No matter what the situation, you always need somebody to talk to. Right? Sometimes you really don't want to talk to your sister, your brother, your uncle. And your friend them who you can, you know, decide say they are going to talk to. Because them understand your levels. People may kind of get distracted because of the noise in the background. So them dog in the yard. So yeah, from the time I need people who can confide, you know. And some of these people ain't real. Them not true with you. Some of them fake it. Yeah, some of them fake it, and that's a fact. And anybody who fake it, them not supposed to come on me. Cause me real. Yeah? Our friendship supposed to happy for your achievements. With a relationship, career, you name it. I'm supposed to happy for you. Right? And me is that type of person where, I mean, you're probably a 10-boy relationship and me say something now go on right. And I go say to you, say, listen, if you know me, I go talk what they on my mind. I'm going to say, oh, I don't like this, you know. But at the end of the day, I can't stop you. You're your own big person. And you make your own decision. Alright? So I'm going to tell you what I don't like. And at the end of the day, whether you continue to say me, but I wish you all the best. Alright? A friend supposed to be able to tell you the truth. A friend supposed to be able to tell the truth. Alright? That's how me see it. Yeah, so if you have a friend and him can't tell the truth, something is definitely wrong. Something is wrong, right? And sometimes too, and everybody got habits, and I've discovered that. And all the time when you ask the things, you're gonna get it from your friend. Cause them in a crisis just like you. Them have responsibilities just like anybody else. So sometimes when you ask your friend them to do a particular thing for you and them tell you say them can't do it, them just cannot do it, and you just have to understand that your friend's supposed to have an understanding. Right? So people are supposed to figure it out by now. I eat slow. I eat slow. Oh, I forgot to give you some. Anyways. Yeah, people. So, if you're still here with me, people, don't forget to subscribe. And I love when I show my love. I really do appreciate that. And stuff. So, it's kind of challenging at times to, you know, look a video, but I'm here doing my thing. Yeah. So, as I say, people, and everybody where you see are your friends. Some of them hate you under the quiet. But me, all the time with the people, so you know, let me look at something there. Fly and sitting. I like it outside in the boat. Think now. Alright, so people, my phone space are full up. I want to say so much, but apparently the phone are full up. So people, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the support. I do appreciate it. I appreciate it can done, and be interactive as always in the comment section. Somehow no, but not lie, most time I see the comments and I have to smile, because I really appreciate the upliftment and the fact that you took the time out to watch my video. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell everybody. And don't watch me here. And to them, I think people, anytime I see me switch that hairstyle I have, probably cream or wear weave or something. I'm supposed to get understand, because I tell you that my ear not easy as I think, you know. Not easy. So guys, see you guys next time. Bye y'all. Come on them dry. If I wash my hand so much time, my hand them dry out. I use moisturizer on my hand. Yeah, but I never remember to put this on this time. So bye. See you guys next time.